What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it has been a very long time, or 2 weeks, since I've uploaded my last video. We've been having very busy lately. We had problems at work. Unfortunately, guys, we had a driver who was hit on the road, and a lot of damage was happened. He ended up, unfortunately, losing his leg. So, guys, I'm going to give a big shout out to everybody. Not just certain people, everyone. Guys, if you see a tow truck on the road, on the side of the road, on a highway, helping somebody out, slow down and move the fuck over. You don't have to be going fast because, you know, we're just trying to help somebody else out. Imagine you in the same scenario, you know, parked and needed help with a tow truck, and next thing you know, the tow truck was injured, or whatever the scenario was. Just do a big favor, guys. Slow down and move over. It is the law. But let's get into today's video. We have another DIY for you guys that I want to show you guys, and yeah, let's get started. So today's video, I ended up going down and bought a new set of side markers for the G35. I already installed one of them, but they look like this. They are kind of a black tinted out LED, so you don't need a light bulb anymore. You literally plug this piece in to where your previous light bulb was at, and it's really a simple DIY, guys. It only takes maybe 5 minutes. Hey, guess what, guys? This motherfucker's locked in the car. He can't get out. Look at him. He's getting so big, guys. He's almost 2 years old. Yeah, look at that little angel. Isn't he just fucking adorable? Stuck in the car. Can't get out because he likes to run away into the goddamn street. That's him. So, here is the old side markers, if you guys all seen. You know, very known. These fucking ugly ass orange ones that, you know, don't work ever. The other side worked, but this one didn't work, and that's why I bought the new side markers. I was going to keep the orange, but I decided to go with the black LED tinted, which they look fucking amazing, guys. They look really cool at nighttime. During the daytime, it's hard to see, but at nighttime, I seen them, and I liked them. I didn't even know about them until I found another G35 with them, and I was like, I have to get those, because it kind of goes in with the color, you know? Blacked wheels, black paint. So we got to go to the blacked out tail markers. Oh, my bumper is falling apart. This whole thing, look at this. This whole thing is falling apart. But we will be getting new bumpers. Hopefully the next, whenever the fuck it is. I'm looking at getting a different body kit. You know, guys, we want to get new quarter panels. I want to get a new bumper. We're going to get a new grill. I want to get, hopefully, you know, we're going to get a new hood. I want to do a vented hood. I'm not sure if we want to go carbon fiber or if we want to just stay with the black. You know, I do want to get this car repainted because it is fucking trashed. The paint is fucking stupid. It is ugly, it's scratched, and it needs a refreshment. I mean, it looks decently on camera. Like, it is dirty, guys. I haven't washed this car in a while. We ended up having 4 days of snow, and it got pretty high to where, you know, it was impossible to drive. I drove the tow truck the whole time. So all you got to do with these ones is you pop it off. You literally just twist, you know, your light bulb out. Yeah, see, you just pop that light bulb, take your orange one out, and guess what? You fucking toss that bitch. That is out of here. And then right here, you just grab this bulb, take the bulb out. You don't need it anymore. And then you're going to grab your new side marker, and you literally stick it right inside this part where your light bulb was at. Just like that. Make sure you guys turn your lights on before you put it in, because it is like a light bulb, where you do, if you don't have it the right way, you got to turn it around. Turn my lights off on me. Let's go check what he's up to. Yeah, he turned the lights off. Hey, Audie, what are you doing? No, the lights are on. See, guys, it kind of looks like this. You can kind of see the light. But at nighttime, it glows the whole thing up. The whole thing lights up. It's pretty cool looking, I think. Personally, I think it's really cool. Alright, so see how it came on? So we are all set with this one. So we got to get this wire right here tucked inside into the marker. And then let's see if we can get this angled enough to be able to show you guys. Alright, so we just grab this, just tuck it all up in there the best you can, so where you can get the light bulb in there, and then you just stick your light bulb in there. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit, because, you know, if you guys want to, you might as well maybe clean up your connectors, you know, get all that dirt or crumb off of it, but I'm not worried about mine. There we go. And just turn it. And another thing is I had to use a pair of channel locks to bend this connector. So if you guys have problems, and like, watch, I'll show you. You know, this part right here on this side will go in, but this one won't. It just keeps popping out. So all you gotta do is what I did is I got a pair of channel locks and get the fucking thing out of here without breaking it, and just bend this piece in just a little bit, just gently bend it in, and it stays. Oh no, that one didn't stay this time. All right. There we go. See how it bended in? And it just pops right in there. It stays. And then the lights kind of, and it looks cool. I love it. I thought it was amazing when, you know, at nighttime. At nighttime, they are a lot brighter. And they just look fucking amazing, in my opinion. I bought these online. I think they were like, I don't know, 20 bucks. No, they're not that expensive. I got them off of, called Gear Performance, off of eBay is where I got them. They were the cheapest. They do sell them on Amazon. They do sell them on a few other places. Look at him, just banging on that window, trying to get out. But yeah, guys, I mean, we are doing more progress with the G35. We've been really talking with a lot of people still. We're trying to find who is the best to make products for us. You know, our shirts, our hoodies, accessories, It's been a long process. We've been talking with a lot of people. We've had interviews with other people. We've trying to come up with some designs, guys. If you guys have any good designs, hit me up. Message them to me. Send them to my Instagram. I'll link it down below. Yeah, guys, I'm going to end this video short today. I need to get the kid out of the car. He's crying. We are still in the progress of finding paint for the wheels. We're going to repaint these wheels, guys. That is going to probably be the next video. I'm not going to tell you guys what color I have decided between the black and the white. That is a video you're going to have to stay tuned and watch. But hey, if you guys are still watching our videos, please do us a huge favor and like this video if you thought that was an easy progress. Comment down below, and please, guys, please subscribe. It really helps us follow this channel. It really gets us going out there. You know, the last video was all right. It didn't do too well. But guys, please like and subscribe. But yes, guys, stay tuned and have a good day. We'll catch you guys later.